Welcome everyone to Machines and More. Welcome to Computex 2024. We are here with DeepCool, and we're going to take a look at some of the new things that they have. Assassin for VC Vision, okay. And what's different about this one is it has a digital display. Got the temperature. This is CPU wattage or system
usage.
Okay.
CPU wattage.
Okay, CPU wattage and clock speed. Okay. It does look a little bit taller than the regular Assassin 4S, 172 millimeters. So you're going to have a case with enough clearance for that, but if you do, looks like it's going to be an interesting one. Interesting looking cold plate here. So slightly better conductivity. Okay, so this is the bare heatsink of the Assassin 4 VC Vision.
Yeah.
Okay, so only the VC Vision will get the new cold plate. AN400. It's a low profile cooler, so 92 millimeter fan, slim, pretty compact, but pretty beefy heatsink, 100% RAM compatibility. So this is the CH170. This actually is the so-called CH160 Digital. And we hadn't seen that released yet, so I was kind of wondering where that happened to that. But this it's been rebranded as the 170 Digital. So what you're seeing here is actually going to be the 160, what was the 160 Digital that they showed before. And it's a vertical orientation. The case sits on a digital display kind of a surround here, so it is a vertical only. Traditional layout case, but it is turned on its end to stand straight up. So you've also essentially have the graphics card in the front. Even if you take out the filter, you can't put fans there.
Yeah.
175, so it can fit the Assassin 4 VC. You can fit a 240 in this on this side, looks like, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can get a glass panel. That way, if you do run one of their digital display coolers, you can show it off. And they are way better at the art than I am. Pixel squares to express yourself. $90 US TBD on the glass panel. We saw the CH160 recently, and I really liked that case. But looky look, you got a vented panel version coming out, and it looks like everything is the same, except it will come with the mesh panel. Okay, so TBD on the pricing, but most likely the same, sounds like. All right, also got the handle at the top, white or black. And I noticed when I reviewed this case, it wasn't, the glass one, it was not officially spec'd for 240 AIO.
Yeah.
But this one seems to be, they're going with the top mount 240. Just a different side panel, still got plenty of screws. 1000 watts. These aren't the exact cables that the SFX is going to come with, but they are sleeve cables, and actually pretty soft.
Yes.
Which is different from most stock cables. So this is pretty nice, a little bit flexible, and it's kind of got a rubbery texture. The braiding is it's not really braided. It's just textured like that, but it has a more of a premium feel here. It's kind of nice, and I like how flexible these feel. A lot of the stock cables are going to be a lot more rigid than this, so interesting to see how these work, and if we get to test it. I hope you enjoyed that. We are going to leave the DeepCool booth right now, but it was good to see some of their new things. Definitely interested in the low profile cooler and the CH170, so hopefully we can see that soon. But please give a like, make sure you're subscribed, and thanks for watching Machines and More.